Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials, now act. Open your VPN app, sign in with your account, and confirm the latest update installed. Once logged in, grant any network or background permissions so the client can change routing. Make sure you know which country or city you want, because location choice affects latency and access to services. Next, select the protocol option if offered. Pick WireGuard or OpenVPN for speed and security, and then move on to choosing a specific server. Now you refine the connection. Browse available servers and pick a city-level endpoint when you need a specific geolocation. Choose a low-ping server for better performance. If you want streaming or torrenting, switch to the provider's specialty servers. If your network is censored, enable obfuscation. Configure split tunneling to exclude local apps. Turn on DNS leak protection to keep queries private, and set the kill switch to block traffic if the VPN drops. Then proceed to connect. You're at the finish line. Connect to the chosen server and wait for a complete handshake. Once connected, verify your new IP and reported country with an IP check, and then open the site or service you needed to reach. If content still shows your original location, clear your system DNS cache, restart the VPN app, or switch protocols. TCP for reliability, UDP, or WireGuard for speed. If none of that works, try another nearby server. Often the simplest swap fixes routing errors.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.